So today I'll talk about birds. The life cycle of the bird: egg, embryo, hatchling, chick, and adult. Information: birds lay egg. They are warm-blooded. Birds are covered with feather. The bird's egg take between 10 days to 2 weeks to hatch. Most birds take from 12 to 21 days learning how to fly. Larger birds tend to take a longer time to fledge than smaller birds and can even take up to 100 days to fledge. Kind of birds: duck, penguins, chicken, parrot, flamingo, peacock, ostrich, sparrow, turkey. Finally, thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye, see you next video.